Welcome to the Engineering Update. I'm Casey Panetta, editor of ECN, and in this week's episode, a new challenger to SpaceX, Wi-Fi signals used to count people in a crowd, and a drone that helps avoid collisions. For a few years, SpaceX has seemed to dominate the world of private space launch, but Airbus is stepping into the ring with a reusable first-stage launch vehicle. The Advanced Expendable Launcher with Innovative Engine Economy, or ADELINE, is just a concept right now, but the device would sit at the base of the launch vehicle that acts as the thruster and guidance for the main stage. When the module is no longer necessary, it will theoretically separate from the second stage, detach from the fuel tank, return to Earth, and be reusable. The company claims the components in the re-entry module are between 70 and 80% of the total vehicle value, so it would make launching rockets that much more affordable, cutting costs by up to 30%. For comparison, the SpaceX reusable module is designed to utilize the main engine to land vertically, while the Airbus module is designed to fly like a typical UAV and land horizontally. The SpaceX method has been rocky at best, so the horizontal landing design could mean more successful landings. The design also offers flexibility with the launch angle and is capable of taking a simple ballistics flight back to Earth, with the engine protected in back and low consumption return propulsion. The module also has a heat shield. Though it's still largely a concept, the team has done a number of demonstrator models and simulator testing. The idea itself has been in the works since 2010, but the company is aiming for 2025 for a maiden launch.
A team of researchers at the University of California, Santa Barbara are replacing the need for roll calls forever. They're using wireless signals to count the number of people in a crowd, each and every one of us. They're testing out using Wi-Fi signals to count the number of people in a particular area. Instead of identifying the position and outline of stationary objects within a walled structure, which they've done before, the changes in the strength of the sent and received Wi-Fi signals can now be used to estimate the number of people in that area.
1, 2, 3.
Using the received power measurements of the link between the two cards, it was possible to estimate the number of people walking within the area using a mathematical framework. To properly determine the number, they looked for two key things: the drop in the signal as a person crosses the direct line of sight between the two cards, and the scattering of the signal being reflected back to the receiving card when the person is not in the direct line of sight, also known as multipath fading. So what's the application? Well, the researchers suggest the tech should be used to estimate the number of people in a building and adjust the heating and cooling automatically. In addition, the information could help with search and rescue operations. Check out the link below for more information on the new people counting tech. What, Janine? No. Delete that. Just cut it.
Piloting drones comes with an expensive and sometimes dangerous learning curve, but the world's largest drone maker, DJI, says it has developed a solution to prevent collisions. A new guidance system integrated with a developer-focused quadcopter promises to make busted rollerblades a thing of the past. DJI's new guidance system uses 5 sensors and a central processor to help the drone fly steady and level, even without access to GPS. The system relies on ultrasonic sensors and stereo cameras to detect when the drone flies too close to objects to help avoid obstacles in real time, even at high speeds. This system is integrated with DJI's new developer drone called the Matrice 100 and is optimized for developing new software applications to control drone flights. While the company's earlier drone models have generally been designed with specific users in mind, like aerial photographers, the Matrice 100 is a blank canvas for researchers to bring their own ideas to life. The Matrice 100 allows 40 minutes of flight time on a full battery charge and features several communication ports, power supply leads, and expansion bays for extra components, so that additional hardware can be fixed to the drone to afford its new functionality. Now that developers can tap directly into the new anti-collision system, DJI hopes this software will make drones both more sophisticated and safer for consumers. And letting enthusiasts participate in building better software isn't just a smart move, it's a safer one. That's all for this week's video. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and view past episodes at ecnmag.com. For the ECN channel, I'm Jamie Wisniewski, and this has been your Engineering Update.